Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to access GoDaddy email from Gmail. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, head over to your Gmail and then we're going to click on this setting and then click on see all settings. From there, we're going to go to accounts and import, and then we're going to click on add a mail account. And from here, we're going to put our email address. So the rules are that under password, enter the password you used to log into your GoDaddy email, and then it's going to ask you for a pop server, which should be pop.secureserver.net. The port field should be 110. Check the leave a copy, check the label incoming message, check the label incoming messages in your GoDaddy email, and then your GoDaddy email would be added. So you're going to click on yes, I want to be able to send the mail as, and then go to next step. And then in the name, you're going to fill in your real name or whatever name you want your people to see from the GoDaddy email address, and then click on next step, and then click on send through Gmail. Click on next step, and you're going to send verification. Once you verify it, there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.